Father, we worship you. Ancient of days, Equime, the God who never fails. You say it, and you do it. When I look around, I can see your faithfulness. Every promise you've spoken has become my testimony. Otutumbemdara, ikpolitere mozo, mbeozo mechiri emechi. You made a